In this module, we'll look at some advanced concepts in data visualization that can help you gain insights into complex data sets. We'll first look at pivot tables and dashboards, which are ways to summarize data and see relationships between variables. In a later module, we'll look at cross-tabulations, which are a particular type of pivot table. A pivot table shows the relationships between two or more variables, at least one of which is categorical. When all the variables are categorical, that is called a cross-tabulation. For example, you can use a pivot table to show how sales vary by day of week, by month, or by product. First, we'll learn how to create pivot tables in Excel and set up a dashboard to display them. Then, we will take a closer look at cross-tabulations, which are one of the most important analytical tools in market research. What is a dashboard? Much like the dashboard of a car, it is a visual display designed to show you the most important information about your business at a glance. A dashboard consists of pivot tables, so to build a dashboard, you need to know how to create a pivot table. You also need to know how to insert a slicer, which is a variable that acts as a filter to display only the information you need. In the rest of this module, we'll learn how to create pivot tables and slicers. The best way to learn how to create a pivot table is to see how it's done and then do it yourself. Here's your next assignment. Watch a short video showing you how to create a pivot table in Excel and then download a dataset and answer the questions in the next slide. Complete the assignments described on this slide and bring your work to class. You may be called upon to share your work with the class, so be prepared. Once you've completed the assignment, go to the last slide to learn how to put all this together in a dashboard. A slicer is a method of filtering data, so your pivot table shows the subset of the data. To create a slicer, click on any cell in your pivot table, choose Slicer from the Insert menu, and select the data you want to use. Want to see an example? Check out this video. Insert these slicers for the next part of the assignment. You are now ready to create a dashboard with the charts you created. All you have to do is cut and paste the charts and slicers into a tab in your spreadsheet. Watch the video to understand better how this process works.